I often tell students that I cannot fail. This is not a statement of pride, but a result of my understanding of academic success, which I'm eager to share with you in this video. Before graduating, I realized that merely desiring excellence in any course is not enough. Knowing how to achieve it is very crucial. In this video, I will share three things you must have before sitting down for any examination if you want to secure an A. Let's get started. Number one is the right mindset towards academic success. This is what I consider the foundation of success academically. Now, if you want to build anything, you must start with the proper foundation. If the foundation is faulty, no matter what you build on that faulty foundation, it is going to crash. One reason why a lot of students fail is because they have flawed mentality towards academic success. Your mentality is the source of your actions and behavior. How you behave, what you do, get its source from your mentality. So if you must succeed academically, you must have the right mentality towards academic success. And what is this right mentality I'm talking about? You must believe in yourself. You must believe that no matter how difficult a course is, no matter how challenging a course is, you must believe in your ability to succeed in that course. Once you begin to doubt your ability, oh, this thing, I don't understand this thing, I wasn't taught this thing in school. I wasn't, no, no, no. You must believe in your ability to succeed in any course. It is this belief that will help you know to put the necessary actions you need to put in place. There are a lot of ingredients for academic success, which you must have heard about, but with the wrong foundation, which is this right mentality I'm talking about, you are not going to get the most out of those ingredients. You get, so you're right. The right mentality matters a lot. And then secondly is the fear of failure. The fear of failure matters. You see, I'm not talking of the fear that comes as a result of lack of preparation for a particular examination. I'm talking of the general fear of failure, which can serve as a motivating force and factor to you know help you prepare for an examination. You see, for me, one of the reasons why, no matter how tired I am or I was when I was in school, I will always read and do my best is because I fear failure. I fear failure a lot. And this fear has served as a motivating factor. And even up to now, I still fear failure. That served as a motivating factor that's always motivated me to put in the necessary effort I need to put in to achieve success in any field. See, these two things are very important. You may not have been hearing about it from any seminars academically, but there are two things that a lot of students ignores that contribute to their failures. And then lastly is where hard work comes into play. There is no any success story without hard work. And I used to tell students that you will not want to fail just because you did not work hard. You must burn the midnight candle. You must do the TDBs. You must put in the necessary effort you need to put into. You see, it is only lazy students that do their best and leave the rest. You get, so you must ensure you cover up to, at least cover up to 80% of a particular course. This is what is going to guarantee an A. See, for me, I ensure that I read and cover everything in a particular course, so that no matter where the lecturer or the examiner will bring out a question from, I'll be able to answer that question. It's very hard for me to be taken unaware in an examination hall. I'll ensure I put in my best. I do my work, and then I go and I'm very confident. I hardly enter into the examination hall afraid of failing. No, because I've done my part. So these three things I believe will help you if you put them into place. Check your mentality. You have a flawed mentality towards success. Check. You just go throughout your semester in school, just say no matter what I get, you just prepare. I just want to get a D and pass. No, you don't have the fear of failure. The fear of failure is a motivating fear. Back then in school where I graduated from BUK, they used to fear Ankapi. They have the fear for the wrong thing. You should not fear Ankapi. You know, if you actually fear success, fear failure rather, from the beginning of the semester, you get it, and you put in the necessary effort you need to put into, you will not fear Ankapi. So have the right fear is very, very important. And then I wrote an article titled The First Class Mentality, where I give a simple guide on how any student, be you a postgraduate student or an undergraduate student, can graduate with a first class. I just put it there. If you are interested, just say you are interested. I'm going to send the link to you, and you just read it, and it's going to be of great help to you. And also, there's a video here. Please, I want you to click on the video and watch, like, comment, and share this video to your fellow students.